Hello everyone, welcome to Kazakh lesson. In Kazakh language, we read by buin. It means we divide the word into consonants and vowels. It's easier to write them down and read, especially for beginners. For example, a word ata, grandfather. A-ta. If it's easier for you, you can clap for each buin. For example, a-ta. Word Bala, child. Bala. Word Mektep, school. Mektep. How to make plural nouns. As we studied on the previous lesson, there are hard vowels and soft vowels. Similar to that, we have hard words and soft words. If a word ends with vowels or with letters r, a, I, then for hard words you add lar, for soft words you add ler. For example, hard word Bala, a child. Balalar, children. Soft word kisi, a person. Kisiler, people. If a word ends with letters z, j, l, m, n, ng, then for hard words you add dar. For soft words you add der. For example, adam, a person. Adamdar, people. Soft word kóz, an eye. Kózder, eyes. If a word ends with thud consonants or with letters b, v, g, d, then for hard words you add tar. For soft words you add ter. For example, hard word dost, a friend. Dostar, friends. Soft word mektep, a school. Mektepter, schools. There are 4 singular pronouns. Min, I. Sen, you. Siz, you, but in formal way. Wol stands for he, she, it. We don't divide the genders. There are also 4 plural pronouns. Biz, we. Sendir, you, but in plural form. Sizdir, formal way and also plural form. Wolar, they.